I couldn't help myself. Where's my hammer? Oh wait, no, wrong guy. Anyways, I've come too far to be put aside by a wrong base on a tube, so I've hacked it up with a bunch of wires. Let's see what'll happen. Oh, and for another round of hacktastic awesomeness, I don't have the proper light bulb, so I've kind of jammed that one in there and covered it with tape to keep it making contact. I have no idea if it'll work. This fateful switch. Take cover behind the box. No explosion? Hey, no explosion. Okay, good. That was the test with the power switch turned off. So let's turn this on. I've turned off that again, of course. So power is on over there. Power behind the box. Contact. Hey, well, nothing really happened. And as usual, I screwed up the connections to this tube. So I've just hooked up the heater just to make sure that we've got the heater going to everywhere that needs to go. So now if I throw the switch and I turn this on, there you go. Glows dimly for a second. You see the little pilot light in there. And all the tubes are glowing nicely. So next is hook up all the other connections here and try to see if we can get some sound out of it. I doubt it because this capacitor still seems a bit shorted, but we might be able to pipe in some audio through that line-in port there. No explosions. Do we still have light? Oh man, what did I do now? Is it on? Oh, that would help. Try that again. Turn this on first, then throw the switch. Alrighty. We have glowage. Do we have shockage? Nope. And I get nothing. Oh well, I bet I've just screwed up some connection somewhere. You know, I may have spoken too soon. Every once in a while I get a crackle from the speaker, which is interesting. Come on, we were just doing it. Well, I'll try piping in a signal from my signal generator up there. See what happens. Well, would you look at that? It's working. I don't know for how long, but it's definitely working. Cool, so now I know that the set sorta kinda works. And yeah, as soon as I get that new tube, we'll hopefully get it working perfectly. I should switch it over to radio mode, just, you know, really see if it works. Alright, so I switched it over to radio mode. See what happens. Something? Anything? Well, we're getting a little bit of feedback if I turn it up too high. Any radio? I think it's mocking me. You want me to what with the radio signals? Have a Raspberry instead. Yeah. Well, I suppose I could try piping in a signal or something from there. I don't have an antenna hooked up. Let's try that. it does react when I touch this lead here. So that's... Oh. It didn't like that. What the heck? That was supposed to be the antenna input. Clearly, it isn't. So that might be a lead. I can't see a damn thing around here. I'm sure you can't. Alright, let's go reset the circuit breaker. Well, I figured out what happened. I hooked up the ground on that first, and I guess this was floating at some higher voltage. So the GFCI actually tripped. It wasn't a overcurrent trip. So that's enough for tonight, I think. Reset. Stupid monitor. I hate this thing. Well, I like the image, but anyways. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll make another video once I get the correct tube.